Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to install cartridges in an HP Wide Page Pro MFP 477DW. So you just have to do this. Once you open there, what will happen? The cartridges can come here. They should be here, but they went down. So let me see how it is. Let me go back. Once we open here, they should sit up and down. Yes, they are here. So what you do, just click one, take one out. You can see you click one to take one out. So once you take one out, it's fine. Then click the second one, take the second one out. Then you click the third one, take the third one out. Then you click the fourth one, take the fourth one out. Right? This comes up and down. So the other ones, they are there here. Then you just take one by one and put in. Right? So we start with the yellow. But yellow also, it's like it's finished. Okay, we have magenta. Yeah, there's something we have to put here which got lost. I wonder why. It was just a paper. I think it's like for refill, to refill the cartridges. If you want to refill. Yeah, it's like a simple paper. It's a sticker. But it's better when you have glue, but there's no glue here. So since we don't have glue, there's no reason for us to leave it there. But it was gonna be a good thing if we could put it. Okay, if it's not there, then there's no stress on that. So what we do, we're gonna put it in here. Like this, we put in also in here. Like this, we put it in here. Just like that, then you can close. After closing, now it's checking the cartridges. Okay. Seems everything is fine, so we're gonna just make a copy here to see if what we did is fine. Press that. Storage devices. Cannot. Okay. Just click on copy. Say copy. Then I'm gonna say color. I need color. It can give you this warning when the ink is not okay. So it just say when the ink is, you can see it made a beautiful copy. It gives you that because the inks are not original inks. That's why. But it's printing. Everything is fine. So the machine is fine. So I just wanted to show you how to do that. So yeah, I made a copy. Color, another color. Understand? So yellow is about to finish also, and another color. If you want to order, you better order now. So, or do you have something to print? Maybe from the computer or what?
No, not at the moment.
Not at the moment. Yeah, so the reason why it doesn't look very beautiful because of this itself is not.
Yeah.
It's not that good.
But the color is not that good.
Yeah, look, I'm gonna make another color here.
You don't finish it.
No, this is too much. It's new. Okay. I'm gonna cancel this.
I can't tell you the original.
No, that's not original. So original I'm gonna give you. So I'm making a new color copy. There was a job which I left here. That's why the machine is showing me this. Go to settings. Quality light. Password manage. Okay. I'm cancelling the jobs, the old jobs.
Cancel what?
the old jobs. So let me try to copy, because I tried to copy and there's nothing was going on. Another job is in progress, so there's a copy I tried to do before. That's why it shows like that. But let me go home and see if I can cancel that. Is the computer on?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can try to print something, because we remember we did set up the Wi-Fi. Or I can switch off the machine to
Switch off what?
the machine to restart everything. So there's a document it wanted to print. Okay. Get papers. We have papers. Scan the throw. These days it's something at least small.
Right.
But small, very small.
But you couldn't print. Couldn't print it.
Oh, it was reading that. It's taking time. Taking time to switch off. Take it out from power. Okay. It gives you a message which says HP cannot guarantee the quality or reliability on non-supplies. Don't worry about that, you just say okay. Why? The machine can read the toners, that they are not from them. Yes, so now it gives you that message that we are safe. You bought toners which are not from us. So if the quality is not good, don't blame us. We want to make money. Okay, let me see, copy. This machine is fast, but if it just came on, it takes time. But if it's on, it's a bit faster. Only issue is expensive on cartridges.
ngazawuthi ukuthumela ama-message from Department of Labour, invitation, official appointment for supply and delivery of CA2 DAF CCTV.
Never touch those emails.
And it's in a single from Department of Labour. Signed here, Department of Labour. My CCTV, my CCTV camera.
Okay. Yeah, guys, I'm going to conclude because we're done installing the cartridges, but just the machine is taking longer. I don't want to take your time because you know the reason why we did the video is to show you how to put on those cartridges. Thanks for watching and hope to see you in the next video.